Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the HD 450BT for a reset. This prevents pairing confusion. First, charge the headset to at least 30% and power it off. Next, remove its entry from your phone or laptop Bluetooth list so the headphones won't auto-reconnect during the process. Once done, make sure the LED is visible. This confirms buttons will register. Finally, have a small flat surface and both hands free. The reset needs steady presses and clear observation of LED feedback. You now perform the factory reset by holding specific buttons for a timed press. This clears stored pairings. Press and hold the power button together with volume up for roughly 5 to 8 seconds. Don't release early. Observe the LED. An alternating red and blue flash or rapid flashing indicates the headset entered reset mode. If you see no LED change, power off, charge for 10 to 15 minutes, and repeat the procedure. This ensures internal memory is cleared, and the unit returns to pairing mode. You finish by repairing and confirming functionality. This restores normal use. After reset, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and select Sennheiser HD 450BT from available devices. You should see a successful pairing tone. If pairing fails, restart both the headset and your device, then repeat the pairing sequence. This clears transient connection errors. If problems persist, fully charge the headset and perform the factory reset again, or contact Sennheiser support for a firmware or hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.